Hey there everybody, I am making this video to document the fact that we got our first 100 page view day on the new site, on the new Google AdSense site, and I just wanted to document how long it took to get there. This site was started April 6th, 2019, and our first organic, so totally organic traffic day was September 2nd. So that was April, May, June, July, August. So 5 months to get to 100 visitors a day. The page count or the article count, I put up about close to 200 posts in the first 2 months, the first 2.5 months, and then I haven't added a lot of content in months 4 and 5, actually just 1 or 2 posts. So this is all just traffic that is generated from the initial post from the first 2 months, and I'm super stoked to see a 100 page view day so early on in this, because the first couple sites that I created last year, it took forever, to get to a 100 page view day. Like, we're talking about being excited about getting 100 page views a month for the first year, and never consistently getting to 100 page views a day. So I'm super thrilled about getting here to this point, and let's just see where it goes and where it ends up here in the next month. So at the end of 6 months, I'll do another deep dive into traffic, and all the stats and where things are at. But I just couldn't help but share that I'm really thrilled about this. So let's see where it goes in the near future. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one.